Hi, today we'll be working on rounding. Let's take a look at the Common Core Standard. Use place value understanding to round whole numbers to the nearest 10 or 100. Let's review. Rounding means making a number simpler, but keeping its value close to what it was. The result is less accurate but easier to use. Let's look at our place value. We have the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. We can use these place values to help us round. Let's get started. Number lines can help us with rounding. First, if we take a look at the ones place, we look at the middle number 5. And remember, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 round to 10. We also need to remember that when we're rounding using the digits 4, 3, 2, or 1, we always round down. Let's round to the nearest 10. Remember, we use the ones place to round to the nearest 10. If we take a look at the number 7, it rounds up to number 10 as the nearest tens place. Let's take a look at another example. If we have the number 13, we want to round down to the nearest 10. 13 rounds to 10. Rounding to the nearest 100. This is the same idea as rounding to the nearest 10, except instead of using the ones place value to round to the nearest 10, we're going to use the tens place value to round to the nearest 100. Let's take a look at an example of rounding to the nearest 100. If we have a number 515, we can see on our number line that it's closer to the number 500, and we can round down. 515 rounds to 500. Let's take a look at another example of rounding to the nearest 100. If we have the number 575, we can see on our number line that this number is closest to 600. So 575 rounds to 600. That concludes today's lesson. Thanks for listening. Please make sure to log on to prodigygame.com to play some fun games with rounding.